Hey folks, so in this video we are going to see how to deploy our code in Git repository. So for that I actually have already my portfolio code, so you can see here. So I have some of the images and some of the PNGs and JavaScript code. So I would like to deploy this into my I would like to store this code in my GitHub repository. So this is how my website will look like. So it's loading, we can wait for a few minutes. Yeah, this is my portfolio website. So I had already coded this and I have made my portfolio. So just now I have to deploy this. I want to store this in GitHub repository. So that's what we are going to see in this video. So I'm opening my Chrome browser to go to the GitHub repository, my GitHub account. So I'm going to my GitHub. So I hope every one of you have a GitHub account, so you can go there, and then after we have to create our repository. So we can see this in video. It's taking a little bit time, we can wait for some time. Yeah, it opened. So now we are going to create our new repository to deploy our code. So I'm just giving it a new, and then here we need to give our GitHub repository name. So I'm giving it as my portfolio, so you can give whatever the name you want. Yeah, we have done. So after that we can give just create repository. It will take few seconds to create our repository. Yeah, it's loading and it have been created. So now we come back to our Visual Studio and open our terminal. So in Visual Studio you can find it in above. There will be 3 dots, so you can click there and go to the terminal, and here we have to do some here we want to type some of the git commands. So first we want to initialize our git, so for that we are giving git init. Then we have to add it to the staging area, so for the git add, then we can commit this git command. So for the git command, I'm committing this message as a portfolio created, so you can type whatever the whatever the thing that you have to mention in that message. So yeah, we have done it. So now we are checking, is there any GitHub repository. So for that, git remote -v, which means GitHub verbose. So now we are going to add our GitHub repository. So git remote add origin, then we have to mention our this URL, HTTPS, this URL. Just you can copy here and you can paste it here. So after that you can just give enter. So now we have added our GitHub remote repository. So you can check with this command GitHub remote -v, which is verbose. Yeah, it's we have added this to our GitHub repository. So now we want to push our local repository to remote repository. So for that we are giving git push origin master. Like this same command you can also practice along with me. Yeah, now the code is from our local repository to GitHub repository. It is uploading, we can see here, right? So it will take a couple of time. Now our code is successfully pushed to our GitHub repository, so you can see here. So yeah, it has been successfully completed. So we can check it with I'm going to my Chrome browser and check whether it is uploaded or not. So just I'm refreshing, so you can hear. So here just how the files has been transmitted from our local repository to GitHub repository. Yeah, you can see here, right? So it will come, wait. Yeah, you can see here what are the images that I have in my local repository. It has been in my GitHub remote repository also. So this is how we can deploy our code, push our code from local repository to GitHub repository. So first we have to initialize the git repository, then we have to add it to our staging area, then we have to commit it, then we can push our code from local repository to remote repository using git push origin master. So that's why we have done this. Thanks for watching this video.